Hello, my name is Schubert, and I'm here to read you a story about a time when I used my big voice. Stay focused. What does it mean to use my big voice? Well, Schubert, let's find out what it means to use your big voice. This book is called Shuberts Big Voice by Dr. Becky Bailey and Lee Ann Burdick, illustrated by James Herbrick. Shuberts Big Voice. Here's the cover page. It's the first day of school in Bug Valley. Schubert is so excited that while he is getting dressed, he sings, "Hooray, hooray, it's a wonderful day!" Schubert's sister Sophie appears. She hears him singing and shouts out, "I know a secret!" Schubert, being a lightning bug, gets so excited that he lights up his body with a golden glow. What is the secret?" he asks. Sophie looks to see if anyone is around and then quietly whispers to Schubert, "There's a new teacher at school who does magic. She is a beautiful butterfly named Miss Bookbinder. My friend told me Miss Bookbinder can make rainbows appear." Schubert isn't sure he believes that his new teacher can make rainbows appear. He is sure that he is excited, so he continues to sing a song. "Hooray, hooray, it's a wonderful day. Hooray, hooray, I am on my way." While singing, Schubert has a brilliant idea. "I'll take Miss Bookbinder an apple. It will be a gift to help her feel welcome in Bug Valley." Schubert carefully picks his apple into his book bag so it won't get squished, squashed, smashed, or splattered. Off he goes to school. When Schubert reaches the door of his classroom, he gently pulls out the apple to admire his gift. It is the shiniest, biggest, reddest, juiciest apple Schubert has ever seen. He safely places the apple in his bag. Just then, Benny pushes his way through the door, trampling over Schubert. Bam! Schubert hits the floor. Slam! The backpack falls open. Thump! Out rolls the apple. "Ow!" yells Schubert as he watches the apple bounce across the room. Thump, 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 thump. It stops at Big Benny's foot. "Look, an apple! Yum! I am so hungry," Benny says with delight. "Hey, that's mine!" Schubert shouts from the floor. Benny just laughs and puts the apple in his pocket. When Schubert sees Benny take his apple, he feels his face get hot and his insides quiver. He can hear his heart beat, beating. He feels mad. Benny has taken his apple and Schubert doesn't know what to do about it. Suddenly, Schubert feels a soft breeze blow across his face and a beautiful butterfly appears. "Greetings, my friend," she states. "My name is Miss Bookbinder." Schubert looks up at his new teacher. She looks like an 8-foot tall angel. Miss Bookbinder says in a soothing voice, "Your arms are folded like this. Your forehead is wrinkled just like this." Schubert feels understood. His body begins to relax. "You seem mad. Something scary must have happened," she asks as she reaches out her hand to help Schubert to his feet. Without thinking, he takes her hand. As he stands up, She kneels down, eye to eye. Schubert feels a sense of comfort and safety as he shares his story. I brought you an apple. It was the shiniest, biggest, reddest apple. Benny knocked me down and took it. Miss Bookbinder instantly understood. Schubert feels mad because Benny pushed him down and took his apple. Schubert did not know the words to use to express himself to Benny, to get his apple back. Did you like it when he pushed you? Miss Bookbinder asks. No way. It hurt, and I dropped everything, Schubert says. In a slow, firm voice, Miss Bookbinder guides Schubert, then go tell Benny, I don't like it when you push me. Give me back my apple. Say it now for practice. Me? Me? Tell Benny? Schubert raises his eyebrows up and his eyes open wide. His knees tremble as he swallows 2 big gulps in his throat. Then he whispers in a little tiny voice, I don't like it when you push me. Miss Bookbinder senses Schubert is feeling scared, so she takes his hand. Schubert, let's find your big voice. Make your voice match mine. She speaks slowly and firmly. I don't like it when you push me. Give me back my apple. Schubert listens carefully. Schubert understands what he needs to do. He needs to use his big voice so Benny will listen to his words. Schubert collects his courage and takes a deep breath. He then firmly says, I don't like it when you push me. Give me back my apple. Miss Bookbinder nods. Practice is over. Schubert is ready to talk to Benny. Schubert, with his heart beating fast, walks towards Benny. Standing straight and tall in front of Benny, Schubert says in his big voice, I don't like it when you push me. Give me my apple back. All is quiet in the classroom. Benny stares at Schubert. Schubert stares at Benny. Miss Bookbinder watches them both. Then Benny reaches into his pocket. You mean this apple? Yes, that's my apple, Schubert says, looking directly into Benny's eyes. Okay, here you go. And Benny hands the apple to Schubert. Schubert is shocked and excited. His whole lightning bug body lights up with joy. Wow! My words have power! My words have power! My words have power. He jumps with joy. You really are magic, he says to Miss Bookbinder with amazement. He proudly gives her the shiniest, biggest, reddest, and juiciest apple ever. Schubert, we are all magic. Miss Bookbinder says we just need to believe in ourselves and each other. I do believe, Schubert says. I do believe. Schubert feels elated and continues to sing his song. Hooray, hooray, it's a wonderful day. Hooray, hooray, I'm on my way. Stop! I don't like it, are powerful words to say. It's magic I can use every day. The class joins in, they all sing Schubert's song together. Hooray, hooray, it's a wonderful day. Hooray, hooray, I'm on my way. Stop! I don't like it, are powerful words to say. It's magic I can use every day. The end. What does it mean to use Schubert's big voice?